Alright, let's learn how to draw a cute little bunny. First step is we're going to draw the shape of the head. It's going to be egg-shaped, kind of going to be egg-shaped. Bigger on the bottom and thinner up top. That's going to be the basic shape of the head. After you get done there, right around halfway, we'll make the eyes. Do them kind of far apart, maybe 2 eye widths apart. So if there was 4 eyes here, there would be 2 in the middle. I'll kind of put them on the outside there. Under the eyes, right about the bottom of them, we're gonna make a Y, just like that. And on the eyes, we're going to do the reflections, a bigger oval on top, and then another one on the bottom. And that's the basic shape of the eyes, or of the face. Now, if you do kind of an upside down V on the bottom, that should make the lips or the cheeks. And then put the straight line on top for the nose. So that's the basic shape of the head. We'll add more detail into that later. Now for the ears, we're gonna make them kind of flop over a little bit. So on top, make this long rectangle shape. Do another one on the other side. They shouldn't be positioned exactly the same. Now from this corner, bring it down to the head. And from this corner, parallel, bring it down to the head. This is creating just the basic shape of the ears, and it's gonna overlap. It'll look cool when we get done. Connect it from here, and then again on this side. So let me show you. If you erase the middle there, see how it looks like it's overlapping? Now from there we're going to make them a little bit pointy. So kind of curve it off like this. And then round the tops of it too. So round the tops here, and at the bottom it'll be pointy. Make sense? Okay. Now if we erase some of those original guidelines, I'm going to add the body now. The body should be shaped somewhat like the head, in that it's smaller around the neck and bigger at the bottom. Almost like a teardrop. Or an egg if we continued up here. And we're going to draw the little pouch here, the little pink spot that's always on the cartoon bunnies. Arm here. It's going to be super simple arms. We'll erase those little areas because the arms overlap on top of the belly. Now we're going to add some feet. The feet are going to be super simple. We're just going to do like that. And put some toes on them. That's it. Now you could go through and ink them. So what I'm going to do here, we haven't drawn it, but I'm going to make the hair, add some hair to the top. This makes it look more fuzzy. And I'm going to do that, little spots here and there as I go. Like here on the sides of the cheeks. Just makes it look, gives it a little texture and makes it look like it has fur instead of skin like we have. Same thing on this ear. Kind of pointed at the bottom. And here's something that wasn't penciled in there. I'm going to draw a quick little line like this on both ears because they're going to be pink on the inside. The rest of the bunny will be white, or I guess whatever color you want, but for mine it's going to be white here and pink here and on the belly. So now I'll outline the eyes and the reflections. And I can color all of that in. Now the nose, kind of the Y shape on the bottom. I'm going to put this little line right here too. It's going to show a little depth or a little ridge for the nose and the eyebrows. Now I'm going to do the paws or the hands. I don't know. Do rabbits have hands? What do we call them? Paws. Do we call them fingers? Okay, and then the body, we're going to put these little squiggly lines here and there to make it look fuzzy. It also helps if you don't have a steady hand, so your mistakes could just make it look like fur. And there, wait, almost done. And I like to go through and thicken the outline of everything when I'm done. Not all of it, not the inside here, just the outlines. Kind of makes it look like a sticker. Makes it stand out more too. What do you guys think I should draw next? What do you want to learn to draw next? Put it in the comments. I got a lot of requests for cute bunny, so I try to do what you guys ask. It seems like you guys really want to learn how to draw. When I was a kid, I loved drawing Muscle Man because I wanted to be a comic book artist. So that's what I spent most of my time drawing, and I got pretty good at it. And if you want to add some more detail or to make it look kind of cool, do this little shadow on the bottom. Just color it in black. Kind of makes it look like so he's not just floating there. Makes it look like he's standing on the ground. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time when I color this one. Don't forget to subscribe.